Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I am Amanda Renee, and in this video I'll be showing you the products that I will be taking into 2023, so keep on watching. So it is December 1 as I am filming this, which means that it's the Christmas season, and I just thought that I should show you the products that I will be taking into 2023 since the year will be ending in a few days, less than a month. So let's get into the product. So the first product that I will be taking into 2023 is this clay mask. I absolutely fell in love with the clay mask when I first applied it to my hair. I will put the thumbnail on the screen, and I will put the link in the cards up above and the description box down below so that you can go and check it out after this video. I fell in love with it, like I said, because I really enjoyed the cleanse that it gave me. Not only that, but it just made my hair feel so much better after I did the clay mask. And here's a tip: put apple cider vinegar instead of water. That way the mask can definitely work to get the gunk out of your strands so that your strands can be rejuvenated. This won't be going in a specific order. I have products that I want to feature in this video, so I'll just be taking from there. And the next product that I will take into 2023 is this curling cream from African Pride Moisture Miracle. Now, if you have been an OG sub, you would know that I love this product so much. I really do. I really love the way how it curls my hair without me having to put my hair in a braid or a twist. I just love how it curls my hair during the application process. And if you want to see how that is done, I have a few videos that I will put in the cards up above and the description box down below so that you can go and check them out to see why I love using this African Pride curling cream. And not only does it curl my hair during the application process, but I find that it is moisturizing to my strands. And even when I leave my hair in twists for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, pushing it 4, I've never done that before, but whenever I leave my hair in for 2 to 3 weeks, my hair still feels so soft to the touch, and it is not hard to detangle my hair at all. So that is why I'll be taking this cream into 2023. The next product that I will take into 2023 is the CAMILLE Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter. I have fell in love with this butter, this twisting butter. I thought that I wasn't going to like it, but honestly, it is what helped me achieve these boho twists that you're seeing. I honestly love how soft it makes my hair feel. I love how I'm able to detangle my hair with this product, and I just love the outcome of the style whenever I use this. And I also find that it doesn't weigh down my hair. So yes, I will definitely be taking this into 2023 with me. I have been new to the CAMILLE Organics game, but honestly, the mousse that I tried from them is coming into 2023 with me. Really and truly, I love how lightweight it is, and I love how I'm able to manipulate my hair when it is on my hair. So that is really all I have to say about this mousse, and I love the hold that it gives as well. It is not a product that will give you an extremely firm hold, but your curls will last. So honestly, yes, I am taking this into 2023 with me. And along the lines of mousses, honestly, this has become a favorite of mine. From the perm rod set that I did with it, my perm rod set came out beautifully. I really loved it. The application process was really easy, and I loved how I was able to manipulate my hair while it was on it, just like the other mousse that I showed you. And that is why I'll be taking this into 2023 with me. I really love this product so much. You can see that it's almost empty, and yes, I'll be taking this into 2023 with me. Now, these last two products are a part of wash day. So the first one of the two that I'll be taking into 2023 with me is actually a product that I've never really featured on this channel before. And as you're reading on the label, I honestly really enjoyed using this while I had in my braids. Although I didn't put out a video on it or anything, I really loved how it made my scalp feel. The tingling sensation wasn't too much from the peppermint oil that is in there, and honestly, my hair felt so soft afterwards. My scalp felt soothed, although my hair wasn't tight. The way how it soothed my scalp, I really enjoyed using this, and the nozzle helped me distribute the product so much. The product really wasn't, as you can see, it's a liquid consistency, but it still cleaned my hair. So that is why I'll be taking this into 2023 with me, especially as a part of my protective style hair care regimen. I will definitely be taking this with me. And the last product that I'll be taking into 2023 with me is this deep conditioner from Flora and Curl. I have never featured this on my channel, especially since it was a giveaway product that I received from the brand. And honestly, I have never really experienced a deep conditioner like this before. Number one, it is natural. It is made of natural ingredients. Number two, it emulsifies in your hair as you're adding it to your hair. It emulsifies, not like a shampoo sud, but a little just goes a really long way. And I really love how hydrated my hair feels afterwards. If I choose not to put in a leave-in conditioner for whatever reason, I don't necessarily have to worry, because this has given my hair the hydration that it needed. Honestly, I went about 2 to 3 days without really doing anything to my hair because of other things that I had to do. And when it was time to do my hair did not feel dry at all. I was able to manipulate it without much breakage or any tangles or anything, and I was able to put in my leave-in conditioner, etc. and my hair still felt soft. So I will definitely be taking this into 2023 with me. And that is about it for this video. I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that you found some, if not all, of the products very interesting. And if you liked this video, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who's interested in trying new natural hair products but has no idea what to try. Hopefully this video will give them inspiration, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.